In this part of our series, we explore the Ezviz app's LAN view feature, allowing you to access and monitor your Ezviz cameras over a local area network, LAN, without needing an internet connection. We will demonstrate how to view your Ezviz camera on your PC or laptop using the Ezviz Windows software. Note: ensure that your Ezviz camera is already connected to your Wi-Fi network, and your PC is on the same network to access the camera feed seamlessly. To get started, open your Ezviz Windows software. There's no need to log in with your Ezviz account to use the LAN view feature. Simply navigate to the Devices on LAN option, where you'll find a list of all the cameras connected to your local router or modem. Select the camera you want to live stream, and you may be prompted to enter the device verification code. Each camera has a unique verification code that you'll need to enter. This code is typically found on the camera's body label near the serial number. Alternatively, you can retrieve the verification code from your Ezviz mobile app. To do this, select the camera in the app, navigate to the camera settings, and click on the camera name or logo to view the device details. There, you'll find the verification code needed to access the live stream on your PC. This live view works locally, even without an internet connection, allowing you to access all the features such as PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom, playback, video downloads, and more, directly from your PC. You can follow the same procedure to view live streams for all other cameras connected to the same LAN network. To view recorded videos of the camera, click on the Gallery option of the corresponding camera to access and watch them. Once the Gallery feature is open, you can see a timeline-based recording of past videos. Drag the timeline to adjust the timing and view specific recordings, or you can select recordings by date using the calendar icon. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.